Hello everyone. So this is the another project of I am making right now. So currently it is kind of done deal. So this is basically a resume analyzer kind of thing. Also you can get the option of uh, based on your job description where you are applying. So you can match your resume with that, how much percentage it is matching, what need to be fixed. Those kind of scenarios in here, job match. And then job description advisory is basically you put any job description over here and it will tell you kind of regenerate a resume for it, which can be used for shortlisting. So let's go ahead and start with the first option where we will need to upload any resume, and we get the option of like analyze it with AI. So currently we are using Groq, which is kind of free, so it is very good. And here when we go analyze, it will basically rate our resume. What are the chances, what are the resume ratings out of 100. So this is it, and here it is highlighting the strength of the resume, and then what can be improved, what are the issues and all. So we can go ahead and fix now, and it will highlight what need to be fixed. So all those sort of things, we can add education here, whatever degree you guys have, or the same goes with the company description. So we need to, it will basically highlight what is issues. So it will help in creating a resume, better resume kind of thing. And also we can edit the things if you want. Now the best thing of this project is basically this job description advisory. So let's go ahead and take some job description from, let's say, associate backend developer, and let's take this uh, yeah, here, and copy it, and let's paste and analyze this job description. So it will do the AI things behind the scene with the Groq, and yeah, it will give this specified skill set you need to have to create your resume in order to break this get shortlisted in this job. So here we can also use this to create basically a brand new resume from here. So if I go ahead, we can fill in all the details we can have and create a mm, scratch new resume. So instead of this, we what we can do is here upload our the old resume, and let's analyze it. And then we can, what we can do is job match kind of thing. So here if we paste this will analyze from the hour what we are missing, and then here we can know, okay, what we have already, what the job description needed, and how can we improve our things. There is one thing missing right now. We need to like create whole new thing, but again that will be not the limitation, I will say the limitation kind of thing for this, which I will try to improve. So one more thing of which I wanted to show you is like we can enhance the rating. Actually right now it is 78, right? And we can generate to improve it. So generate whatever it is, minimal elegant, and let's see how it will rate. So it will give the better resume based on your information, and we can also print it out. This here we can print. I think this is kind of weird, it is coming. We can fix it out. So all in all, this is the current project. So let me know what you guys think of this, and if you want anything specific, let me know, or any source code of this. So yeah, that's it.